like, nope, I don't believe you. Okay, well, you're believing all the other no cruelty kind of stuff, but whatever. Whoa, 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 whoa! It's not nice that I said that. Good. Just to walk in, get it there, and walk out.
I'm watching you, Mr. On the Lines.
What's he gonna do? Go straight?
I don't know what they're gonna do. Come way out, cross over into my lane when we get to the other side of this turn.
I wouldn't be too surprised.
Not me at all.
Ah. Oh, I have an appointment at Primary Care Associates February 21st. Whoa, 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 you idiot! You're gonna click it? What the heck is he thinking? What?
While some of us rejoice in the return of hockey and the beautiful colors of fall, others may mourn the lazy days of summer. Luckily, however you feel, Fruitopia Brew Pub is brewing its new fall menu. Fruitopia's rich and mourn the lazy days of summer. Luckily, however you feel, Fruitopia Brew Pub is brewing its new
Are you afraid?
What the is up with all the cherries and berries today? These f***ing people are stupid.
They're oblivious to
Oh! Woo! And she wonders why her car looks like that.
It's fine.
Keep going?
I think it is at the
I'll turn left at the light.
Yeah. It's perfect.
Oh! Holy shit. That was... Jesus Christ.
다 이유가 있어요. 다 이유가 있는 겁니다. 저도 솔직히 말해서 몇 번 당했어요. 카카오톡은 아니고 페이스북 메시지.
Had counted early on instead of the whistle. I think it was the right call. The puck seemed to be under Blackwood's glove for a count or two before it was pried loose by, I think, Tyler Mott. But, you know, they do need scoring from the bottom six, but we'll see now, does Gaudette get another chance? Because that's another, that will displease a lot of people. He's at the age and developmental stage of his career. He's got to play. So now there's a chance to play him tomorrow, and we'll see if Travis Green does. And if he takes somebody out, we'll see who it is. But it wouldn't shock me if Jake Bertanen came out of the lineup.
Oh, sh
Did they hit?
I don't think so.
Tune. We're going to give you a 3-second clip of a song, and if you can give us the title of the song, your packet tickets to the Best of Sacramento, which is next Thursday, a week from tomorrow night, at the Sacramento Convention.
you doing?
Sponsor Top.
You dumb piece of